missing anyone. I wonder who it could have been. What is that? 20 subs, paper play button. What? Now let's take this back to the table. What is this? 20 subs, paper play button? What? Okay, let's see what this thing actually is. Wait, what the heck? It's like a silver play button. Oh, paper play button. Let's see. Ballistic Bow. Congrats for 20 subs. You know what? That's awesome, actually. I'm probably gonna hang that. I'm gonna hang that up. It's kind of the same feeling as getting 100,000 or 1,000,000, or even 10 million. To answer your question, if I made this, yeah, I did. Paper play button is gonna go right there, next to my poster. Yeah. Bye, guys, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.